Hello. So my name's Fraser. I've just graduated from studying chemistry at the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, and I have, I suppose you could say, a really big passion for renewable energy, specifically solar energy. I mean, right now it's currently sunny, and I'm in the middle of a rainforest in the middle of Costa Rica with Corcovado Park behind me, and it's absolutely bliss. So I suppose you could say that I love the sun. Um, so I suppose I'll walk you through what I've been doing for the past. There's lots of flies for the past few days. Basically, we started off learning about the theory behind solar energy, how solar panels work, how you need different applications like a battery, the inverter, the charge controller, and how all these things come together in a bigger system just so you can harness the energy that comes from the sun. And so we learned all about that, which was really interesting. And as someone who comes from a scientific background, I was maybe a bit apprehensive that what I would be learning here wouldn't be as in depth as maybe what I'd be looking for. But honestly, I can't vouch enough for this course because I've been able to ask any question, and I feel like no question has gone unanswered. So yeah, I mean, and it's just super technical, which is what I'm looking for, but it's also at the same time not too technical that you can't understand anything. You know, we've got people from all sorts of different backgrounds. Um, so, we've got mechanical engineers, we've got chemists, we've got other sort of scientists in the group. So, and then we've also got people from humanities subjects. So don't even feel like you couldn't come and learn. If you're not from a scientific background, because that is absolutely not the case. It's just totally rewarding for everyone involved. But then, so after we learned the theory stuff, we got into the more hands-on and practical stuff, which is pretty much what I was looking forward to the most, because I did understand some of the theory before, and everyone can go and read about it and whatever. So it was really good to get the practical experience, because I've never even seen a solar panel before this week, and I can just say it was so rewarding just getting to basically we got lots of little solar cells, we soldered them together, and then we seen how we could link them up in series to make an actual solar panel, and then we went out into the sun and tested them, which was just so interesting to just see how we could basically just make something and then take it outside and then get the energy from that. I mean, it's literally as simple as that, and for me that was the most valuable thing probably from this course so far. But we've got a few days left. We're just at the install here, so I'm looking forward to seeing the lights get switched on after we get the solar panels installed. I suppose as well, I need to give a shout out to everyone involved. We've got Keith, Janina, Jason, and Richie, who have all come together to just make this amazing course. I mean, specifically Keith from Green Go, he's got his own little project up in Mexico, and I cannot vouch enough for what he's doing. The stuff that he's doing up there is just, I don't know, it's just inspirational. And me and my friend Anthony, who came here, we're both from Scotland, we have both talked about how we want to get involved with this stuff. The course that we've done down here seems to be an emulation of what Keith does in Mexico, so I can't vouch enough for the work that he's done, and the organisation that has gone into this whole project has just been absolutely spectacular. So yeah, and also as well, like, I suppose I should probably say that it's not all just take out. It's not all just work and whatever. This sort of experience it's a total learning experience, but at the same time we have the social aspect. Like Keith is an avid surfer, so he took us all out yesterday and we went surfing, and I just had the most fun. I love surfing myself, and so it was awesome to go surfing with someone who has been teaching you about renewable energy and solar energy for the past week. So it was pretty cool to chill with him for a bit, and every night we've been out at the bar socialising with everyone and just like kicking back and chilling. So the whole experience has been, I mean, it's just exceeded all expectations that I could have ever had in every way. So if you're ever considering doing something like this, I I can wholeheartedly say that it is absolutely for everyone. If you have any interest in, you know, renewable energy, solar energy, you know, if you love being outdoors, if you love being in the rainforest, if you love surfing, then this is for you. And you know, it's just been a once in a lifetime experience. So yeah, I would recommend it to anyone from any background. Thank you.